So now that dancehall artist Zebra forward out of prison, and we all know him can't even sell a bag of bag juice, much less a venue. So we are going to revisit this prison hype. Was it prison hype or Vybz Kartel hype? I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And if a Real Talk, may I make throughout the video? Like the video if a Real Talk, may I make? Comment Real Talk in the comment section. Subscribe if a Real Talk, may I make? And definitely, if you can afford it, the PayPal link there in the description. You can drop a dog food if a Real Talk, may I make? So yo, on this channel, me cover label hype, prison hype, dead man hype, whole heap of hype, even footer hype. We cover all of the hype them over the channel. So if you're new, you can go back and watch dead man hype and prison hype versus label hype. Very interesting topic, you see me? So now, Zebra forward out of prison and we are going to revisit this prison hype. Was it really prison hype or it's just simple Vybz Kartel hype, and because them now want to give the G the credit, them just say prison hype, but actually a Vybz Kartel hype. It's been Vybz Kartel hype. When him sell out arena, a Vybz Kartel hype. Yo, listen me. Zebra do more years than Vybz Kartel in a prison. So if there was any prison hype, Zebra prison hype would have more powerful because him there in a prison longer. Alright. Take Zebra out of it because maybe when I say yo, him a graper, so graper not have no prison hype. Make we use Ninja Man, because Ninja Man going to prison for different things, for gun and, you see me, violence and them things. So that probably be the main ingredients of prison hype, right? So if Ninja Man forward a road tomorrow, Ninja Man a sell out arenas and stadium, Ninja Man a go bring back Sting while then a wait pan. Ninja Man I go pull one big crowd at some fest. Probably the same crowd where Vybz Kartel pull at some fest what here. Ninja Man I go do all of that. Ninja Man I go have some flaggers like Ninja Man flaggers. So me already a stop in our tracks. For you say yo, Zebra now go have no prison hype because I grape him charge for grape, so take Zebra out of it. Me already know how you think. Yeah, so me a preempt for anybody who say him a graper. Him now get prison hype. Ninja Man then in a prison for very long time too, and him going there for badness. Ninja Man a forward out, probably Ninja Man can sell a bag of bag juice, yes. But Ninja Man a sell out no venue. Ninja Man a go pull 5,000 people for himself. Like Ninja Man in a stadium car park or Ninja Man there somewhere. People are go pay for see Ninja Man. Ninja Man a go have this big fanfare and whole heap of prison there. Ninja Man I have this big fanfare and whole heap of people out of prison and wait for him. Or it just gonna come like Zebra same way where him fall out of prison and them make a one post on YouTube or they make a one post on social media. And yeah man, I hate that. Zebra, artist from the 90s. And the next thing is, me talk about Zebra a little bit over DJ Dreadbeard react and whole heap of people ask who is Zebra. So them they are Gaza fans, you know, young Gaza fans, you know. I ask who is Zebra. You see that? Vybz Kartel even have young fans where them don't know who is Zebra. Like them genuinely I ask who is Zebra. When I talk about prison hype and I match Zebra with prison hype, they must ask who the hell is Zebra. You see me? So Zebra go to prison and last, that's where prison was designed for do. So when somebody asks who is Zebra, I can't even rank them or say yo, oh you know if you know Zebra. No, prison do it for do, prison last him. Prison end him career. People don't know him. You have a generation when don't know who is Zebra. Them last to this. You see me? So everything we wanna see Vybz Kartel a do. You see Vybz Kartel regular and sold out 100,000 ticket back to back in the Barclays, back to back in the O2 Arena. 3-peat Barclays, 3-peat in a Scotiabank Arena. Malta, Wireless. Everything we him touch sold out. Those are Vybz Kartel hype. Not prison hype. Yeah, it was Vybz Kartel hype all along. Yeah, but we just make you run with it because it make you sleep good at night. Yeah, it make you sleep good at night. For say yo, a prison hype. When you know in ourselves say nobody else are gonna do this again. Nobody will go to prison and fall from prison. nah go do this again. Jacure, when Jacure forward back, Jacure nah do this again. No international, no local artists will go to prison. I said the same things about Tory Lanez over there. If Tory Lanez fall out from prison, where ma do sell out the Scotiabank Arena 3-peat? So the man a go a Cayman there, and the people them a ball, so the tickets sold out already. That's Vybz Kartel hype. So we see this already. When him just jump out of prison, we see tickets sell out fast, and every time Vybz Kartel have a concert, just the people run with memes. Them a sell them lungs and them kidney and them chop off one foot and them have to sell body parts. Why in a 2026 Vybz Kartel concert as the people up on social media I do the same thing? Just like when him just found out of prison and you hear about Freedom Street for the first time, or you hear about Barclays for the first time. Why in a 2026 people say yo, Vybz Kartel tickets sell out in a record time? Like he might do this again next year, no? Next year, if him go back a Guyana, or go back a some small island, go back a UK, go back in the Barclays, I go see people again. I tell us it's sold out in a record time. So it's a reason why you never want to put a cap on the prison hype, you know. Like it's a reason why you never want to say, yo, prison hype I gonna last till 2026. There's a reason why. Because if him still a do it in a 2026, you don't want to keep on say a prison hype. If him do it next year, 2027, you don't want to keep on say a prison hype, but you don't see how ridiculous it sound. A Vybz Kartel hype. Move the prison off it. A Vybz Kartel hype. Don't it make more sense now? Don't it make more sense for you say it's Vybz Kartel hype rather than prison hype? Because when you do it in a 2030, 2031, 2032, what? You still a go want to say a prison hype? No, bro. Vybz Kartel hype. Why him still a go do it? Why me say him can do it on 13 more years? Yeah, it was Vybz Kartel hype all along, bro. Check out the realest talk here. Vybz Kartel hype will never die. That is why you see all of the young artists them I try put them name towards him. It's like how you have Bob Marley dead and gone, and Bob Marley still at the king of reggae, and yeah, that is what Vybz Kartel hype is. So Bob Marley have dead man hype, Vybz Kartel have Vybz Kartel hype. So that is why you see young artists and every artist, Alkaline Massacre, Popcorn, all of the fan base them right now, them are going after Vybz Kartel. It's a reason why. Yeah, it's a reason why everybody are go after Vybz Kartel, and I put them name the youngest artists were boss Skipper, the youngest generation. It's a reason why them a put them name towards Vybz Kartel. Them want them name to go down in a history as probably somebody where they clash Vybz Kartel, collaborate with Vybz Kartel, producers, and make sure so them set them name that them have a song with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, so Vybz Kartel hype will never die. Yeah, Bob Marley, Vybz Kartel, Bob Marley hype no die. Vybz Kartel hype nah go die, bro. Which young artists you see I try put them names side a Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Spragga Benz. Me just call some other artists name from the 90s. Which other veteran artists you see people like I kill up themselves put them names side. No, it's a reason why Vybz Kartel always there in the conversation from him boss until now. It's all a Vybz Kartel hype. From him boss until now, a Vybz Kartel hype. Never nothing else. Never get it mistaken. But if it make you sleep good at night, you can call it prison hype still. But that is reserved for Vybz Kartel. It's indigenous to Vybz Kartel. Nobody else now go have prison hype. So that's still, so whether you want to say Vybz Kartel hype or prison hype, yeah, Adidja Palmer hype. You can't take that from him no matter what. No matter what you put in front of the hype, you can't take that from him. You see me? Yeah, I want to try all kind of strategy. You want to try group up strategy. Any strategy you want to try, you can't take the hype there. You see me? Yeah, the man create him own hype. Dancehall never see this yet. And that's why Dancehall don't know how to operate and how to handle it. But yeah man, if a real talk may I make people, drop a real talk comment in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk may I make. Subscribe if a real talk may I make. And if you can afford it, the link to the PayPal I got there in the description, and I go pin it in the comment. Yeah man people, if you're new to the channel, this is my second channel. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel. I go make sure collab with it. So you see the channel where you see me collaborate with, subscribe to it. Over them I go talk about this when I see me and Danger and Quest time them a run with say Vybz Kartel and Movado up on the same rhythm after 18 years. Nothing no go so. You see me? That's why I'm there out here to correct them narrative here. And sometime I know them no know and sometimes I just paid promotion. Somebody just pay them for say that because them a push Movado. So them just a tie Movado to Vybz Kartel name and them just say anything. So look out for the reason later over my main channel. Definitely go over there and subscribe. Set the notification bell to all so when I drop the video. But if you look on your screen right now, I recommend them two video. Label Hype and Prison Hype and Deadman Hype. So watch them two video there if you're new and you don't watch them yet. You see me, I'm DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.